Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the flapper door in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new flapper door. The flapper door is mounted on the side of the left refrigerator door. It latches the door into the door holder, keeping it closed. It has a built-in mullion heater and 3 hinges that allow the flapper door to turn 90 degrees when it gets in and out of the door holder. The main reason for the flapper door to be replaced is if the hinges break, causing the French doors not to close properly, or the heater burns up, causing condensation to build up on the flapper door. To get to the part, we need to open the left side door. Next, we're going to open the flapper door. So we're not going to use the Phillips screwdriver. We're going to take out 2 Phillips screws that holds the central bracket. Next, I'm going to hold on to the flapper door and knock it up to disengage the hinges. Next, we're going to disconnect this plug. I'm going to press down on the locking tab, pull it apart. This is the old flapper door next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. We're going to start installation with opening this bottom hinge first. Down the top one. And then I'm going to peel off this strip. Oop, top again. So we're now going to connect this plug. Make sure it's locked. And I'm going to place it inside. And press it down and slide in both hinges. And then we're going to install the middle one. And we're going to secure it with a couple of Phillips screws. Alright, so you're going to place screw in, and using a Phillips screwdriver, we're going to tighten it. Now we're going to close the flapper door, and then only after that we can close the fridge door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.